Hey, Ryan Gunness here, and welcome to the Automated Biz Builder system. So the video that you're looking at right now is a little bit, right over here on the page in step one. Okay, so I'm just kind of walk through this page here. So you want to take the time and read through some of the comment box. Pretty much anything in red is comments to you. So you want to kind of read through this page so you can understand it. But it is a very powerful page because it is your virtual online business done for you system. And because it's done for you, there's no selling needed. All you do is enter in contacts down below and the system will handle 100% of everything. And because it's your own virtual online business, you get access to the tax advantages. So get with your accountant on that. And the only thing that you do to help support that is by entering contacts, which qualifies as business activity. So, and it also, the system tracks that for you so that you have a log of everything that's going on. All right. So for this box here, you want to put in contacts that you know well. So friends, family, close contacts. And the reason for that is we are letting them know that you referred them to us. Okay, and the system is also tracking your yes ratio, meaning how many people say yes to the system. And if that falls below 30%, then the system will block you from adding more contacts. So you want to make sure that you only enter contacts that you know well. For people that you don't know so well, you can click here, but that would take you over to our gray box section. And in the gray box section, you have a couple of scripts. So for people that you don't know so well, we have a script right here where you can send them a quick message to see if they're open to an interesting money-making strategy. And then if they say yes, then you can send them message number 2, which will take them to a special page that we created for you that will invite them to take a look at a video to learn how to earn extra income. And once they opt in, the system will automatically follow up with them, but it will bring them to this page here, that talks about earning extra income, and we have a video that explains how the whole thing works. And then when they click to join, they'll be joining you directly. They would pay you the $15 directly. So it's all automated. You have nothing to really do. So really and truly, there's only two things. Either you're promoting this page using some of the scripts that we give you, or you are entering contacts that you know well, and our system will handle everything for you. It will handle all the reach outs, it will handle all the follow-up, answer all the questions, and sign them up with you. Now, on top of that, it's keeping track of everything in your contact manager. So if you go to your contact manager tab and you click on contact manager, that will bring you to a screen like this. And what you'll notice is anytime you enter in a contact, it'll keep track of the conversation. So it'll show you the timestamp when you entered in the contact, when the system actually reached out to them for you, when they said yes, when they gave us their email address. It'll just give you a whole log of everything that's going on. So this actually is what keeps track of everything for you, where you're able to use this to show proof that you are doing business activity in the event that you ever needed to show that information. So that's the power of having the system working for you. Now you'll see, you only want to enter people that's over 18, that you know personally, that you've spoken to in the last 6 months, okay? And once you see this little green button here available, that means you're able to enter in contacts, because the system does limit you to only enter up to 3 contacts on the P1 level, up to 3 contacts within a 10-hour period. Okay, and then again, it's tracking how many people say yes, so it's tracking your yes ratio. Okay, and this explains exactly what's going to be happening with the contacts, exactly what we're going to be, the exact message that we're sending them. You're able to see that right here, so that you're very, very in the loop of everything that's going on. All right, and that's pretty much it. It's a very, very simple system. I invite you to go ahead and start entering a couple of contacts right now so you can see the system in action. Okay, and we'll see you in future trainings. Bye for now.